This is the 2018 limited edition Isuzu KB 250D-TEQ 4x4 X-Rider. But it's pretty much still just a KB 250, so that means you get a 5-speed manual gearbox and a 4-cylinder 2.5-litre diesel engine. The X-Rider package though gives you a couple of extras, such as this tonneau cover and this beautiful black roll bar. You're going to get blacked out B-pillars and these beautiful X-Rider rock sliders. You're going to get a little more badging up front here and these beautiful diamond cut alloy wheels. The headlights, projector headlights, have blacked out surroundings, while the grille is blacked out with this beautiful red badging, and you get this beautiful black bash bar with LED daytime running lights. But the changes extend to the inside as well, so let's take a look there. Well. Pretty much standard Isuzu KB 250 fare here. You're not going to get a great big infotainment system, but you are going to get Bluetooth with steering wheel controls. What you are going to get as part of the X-Rider package is black leather upholstery with raised red stitching and of course some embroidery in the headrests. Steering wheel is also going to have the same black and red treatment with a nice red badge. All of this is going to set you back 463,000 Rand, and that makes me think that this is actually quite a good deal.